Hi all. So today we are going to discuss about finding HCF of two numbers by prime factorization methods. So I wrote the rules for doing this here. The first step is write the prime factors of the two numbers given to you. Then the second step is take common primes with the lowest power, and the third step is multiply those numbers. We can do it with the help of an example. Find HCF of 12 and 18. So what is our first step? Write prime factors. So you have to write the prime factors of both the numbers. First we can write the prime factors of 12. So for that you have to factorize 12. You can divide 12 by 2, the first prime number, you will get 6. Again you can do by 2, you will get 3. Again you can do by 3, that you will get 1. So how can you write it in the factorized form? 2 times 3, or you can write it as what? 2 square times 3. So I am writing it as 2 square times 3 here. Now the next number is 18. For 18 also, when you start with 2, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Then we can do with 3. It will give you 3. Again when you divide by 3, you will get 1. So it is 2 times 3 times 3. That will be what? 2 times 3 square. 2 times 3 square. Okay, so this is our first step, writing prime factors. What is our next step? Take common primes with the lowest power. So you have to check which are the common powers given in the question. Which are the common powers? 2 is there as a factor in both of them. 3 is there as a factor in both of them. Okay, so these 2 and 3 both are common prime numbers or common factors, and you have to take the common primes with the lowest power in it. Okay, among 2 square and 2, 2 means its power is 1, 3 means its power is 1. Okay, so among 2 square and 2 raised to 1, the one with the lowest power is what? 2 raised to 1, or just 2. Among 3 and 3 square, the one with lowest power is 3 raised to 1, or just 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to what? 6. So what is the HCF of 12 and 18? 6. Okay. I will explain one more question to you to make it a little bit more easier. Okay, listen. The second question, find HCF of 20 and 30. So what is our first step? Writing the factors. So prime factorization. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Again divided by 2 is 5. Again divided by 5 is 1. So you can write it as 2 times 5. Or you can write it as 2 square times 5. So 20 is what? 2 square times 5. Now 30, the next number. Factorize. By 2 it will give 15. By 3 it will give 5. And with 5 it will give 1. So it is 2 times 3 times 5. So 30 is what? 2 times 3 times 5. Now you have to check for the common prime numbers. Common prime factors. Which are the common prime factors? You can see 2 is a common factor and 5 is a common factor. 3 is not a factor, so you don't have to take it. Okay. Now among 2 square and 2, the one with the lowest power is which one? 2. And among 5 and 5, both are 5, right? So since both are same, you can write 5 here. Or 5 raised to 1, 5 there. Okay. Now multiply them. 2 times 5, 10. So what is the HCF of 20 and 30? HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. Okay. So this is how we can find out the HCF of two or more numbers by prime factorization method. Hope you all understood it. Thank you.